Okay, I just want to say just a little bit about the early days of riding a motorcycle. Things that I had to learn both the easy way and the hard way. One thing that's on my mind, so I'll mention it first, was one thing that was difficult for me to learn how to do was to depend upon the front brake. One thing you'll learn, especially if you take the MSF training course, you'll learn that it's estimated that about 70% of your stopping power comes from the front brake alone, the other 30% from the back brake. And so when you need to come to a quick stop, you need to depend upon the front brake.